Hi, I'm Faith, a biology major at Creighton University. Everyone is talking about AI, but instead of asking if it's good or bad, we're asking a better question. How can students use it well in their future careers?
I'm McHendry from Creighton University. Here are 5 things that you need to know about AI to be career ready. 1. AI is rewriting what it means to be career ready. Using AI is not the skill, evaluating it is. Grads need to know when it's useful, what's accurate, and what needs improvement. 2. Being career ready now means knowing how to shape AI, not just use it. Employers don't just want AI users, they want people who can think critically about the output and improve it. 3. Great employees know how to question the output. AI is integrated into every major at Creighton, preparing students to use it in real ways that connect directly to their future careers, not just isolated classes. 4. The future workplace rewards critical thinking. Human judgment still matters. AI can speed things up, but students still need to verify, interpret, and make decisions. 5. The strongest graduates will need to think beyond the prompt. The long-term advantage is adaptability. Students need to know when AI helps, when it doesn't, and how to evolve alongside it. And that's a wrap. To learn more about using AI the Creighton way, be sure to subscribe. And no, AI did not write this video.
The big takeaway. AI is changing how people work, but it doesn't replace the skills you build in college. At Creighton, students are learning how to use AI as they prepare for their future careers.